Hello guys, this is Vic from Chatbot, and we're back on another video explaining how to use the playground feature within Chatbot. This is going to be very easy and straightforward, so let's just get started. First thing you're going to do is come to the website bestchatbot.io and click on sign in. First thing you're going to see after signing in, it's the workspace selector. In my case, I'm going to create a new one, which is going to be playground test. And in allowed origins, I'm going to leave this empty. In your case, you would want to put the URL of the website where Chatbot will be added. So I'm just going to go and click ahead on create widget, and this should retrieve us the API key. You want to make sure to copy the script even though it's visible from the dashboard, and click on done. Next up, you're going to go to the sources tab and either add your files or links from your documentation. Both things are already explained in the channel. For the sake of this video, I just uploaded 3 markdown files and they are in uploading state. Once they are done, they're going to be on pending, as you can see over here. Keep in mind that pending means they are waiting to be inserted into the knowledge base. This won't happen until you click on retrain knowledge base. This is going to take quite some time, around 1 to 2 minutes. And once it's ready, I'm going to come back and show you how the playground feature works. Alright, so as you can see, sources are green, they are trained. So now what we're going to do is quickly go to the web widget tab, go installation and security, and click on create identity verification. This is going to create a key which will allow us to sign our GWT, which will embed our identification on the website. What this is going to allow is to keep track of authenticated users from the conversations tab, which we're going to see later on. Next up, we're going to go to the playground, and as you can see, it will say that create an active signing key in the installation security tab to test your widget live. Since we have done this, let's quickly click on refresh, and now we should see the web widget as you would normally see it in your website. Going back to the sources tab, we're going to see that we have technical specs, which talks about bot technology, pricing, which talks about Chatbot's pricing, and integrations, like for example Discord, Slack, Telegram, and webhook. So now let's go back to the playground tab, and here you should see the widget exactly as you would see it in your website. Now let's go on chat and ask how much does the bot cost. In the meanwhile, keep in mind that Chatbot will only answer on the provided documentation. It will never ever make up any information, right? So as you can see, it says we provide a free plan tier which includes up to 100 queries per day and a single workspace. This plan does not include payment, blah blah blah. And we offer a pre-plan and pro plan which includes 5,000 daily queries. Cool, that's pretty much what we had in the sources. And let's ask, is Chatbot available in Slack? And as you remember, this was also included in the documentation. It would say, yes, we support Slack integration for the bot. Slack integration is available only on our Pro and Enterprise plans. Once again, it works as expected. Now, let's test the agentic integration. To do so, let's go back to the web widget and go in integrations. Before jumping into this, please keep in mind that agentic integration is only available on the Pro and Enterprise plans. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Calcom tool, which is going to allow Chatbot to book meetings on my behalf. Here, you're going to paste the API key you're going to retrieve from cal.com. And as you can see, we have successfully set up cal.com integration. Now let's quickly go back to the playground tab and click on new, and now if we hit refresh, we should be able to see the quick action of appointment. So let's just click on it, which is going to trigger the I would like to book a call. Chatbot is going to retrieve our available slots. We choose one and we put our name. I'm going to put this testing, and the email it's pinned because we are authenticated as the Stripe.gmail user. Let's click on send, and now we're gonna confirm. Now Chatbot is automatically gonna confirm the booking for us and answer back with the confirmation. The meeting has been accepted Thursday, July 9th at 9 a.m. with this email. Now if we go back to the conversations tab and click refresh, we're gonna see that we indeed have all the ongoing conversations. They are marked as build, And we additionally also have all the agentic integrations, callbacks, and messages Best Chatbot responded with. This is going to allow us to keep track on every single conversation and see which messages were built and which not. As you can see, it's very easy to set up and get it to run. So if you have any doubts, any recommendations, anything else you want to see into Best Chatbot, feel free to leave a like, comment. We will read them and gladly walk through the entire implementation process. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and see you into the next one.